Central bankers say Chile's economic growth continued to show signs of recovery from a 5-year low in 2014. But with me down the line for an economic update on the country is Diego Colman. Diego, while maintaining the key interest rate for the 5th consecutive time, some of the bank's board members observed that inflation was taking longer than expected to converge towards the centre of the targeted range. Monetary easing so far has been the trend of 2015. So what would prevent Chile from following suit at present?
First of all, we have to remember that Chile had one of the most aggressive interest rate cutting programs. Since 2013 through 2014, the central bank cut interest rates 8 times, and and finally, it seems data shows that economic activity is picking up. We're starting to see stronger retail sales, which suggests domestic consumption is going up, which indicates at the same time that consumers are becoming more upbeat about the future. So economic recovery is still weak, but it's becoming more stable. So on the other hand, the most important factor is inflation. Inflation has proven to be very resilient in Chile and has remained above the target range for too long, and it's expected to continue to remain above the target range for a long period of time. So with inflation above 4%, it's very unlikely that the central bank will proceed or will undertake another easing cycle, as that could exacerbate price growth.
While lower commodity prices are a positive for many other EM economies that import raw materials, Chile has been picked out as one of the most at risk. Do you agree? And can the top copper producer offset these headwinds? Do you expect a normalization in commodities markets to arrive anytime soon?
Yeah, absolutely. I agree with it. First of all, we have to note that Chile is the world's largest copper exporter. So the mining industry is very important to Chile. It's one of the major pillars of the Chilean economy, so to speak. So as far as the outlook, for copper, we're seeing economic deceleration around the world. China is a major consumer of copper. So the Chinese economy is slowing down. So projections for copper aren't very encouraging. Major financial institutions have downgraded copper prices for 2016. So that ultimately means likely lower growth for Chile.
The dollar strength story took a bit of a knock after Friday's NFP figures. What is your outlook for the US dollar against the peso in the coming months, and what will be the main drivers?
So we can see some gains momentarily, but I believe by mid-year or towards the end of the year, we can see CLP trading around 630 again.
Diego, great to speak with you. Thank you. Well, that's all from Diego and myself. Also on the site today, we had Press Review, Industry Catch-Up and Commodities Corner focusing on gold. So please do click back for those. Goodbye for now.